Okay, hello everyone. My name is Jungmin Lee, and I am working as a undergraduate research assistant at the Telest or Constellation down by the hill, and also I'm working as a the RCOS software developer. And today I'm gonna present about my project, the name DataCube Browser, the next generation semantic web-based health data exploration tool. So right now there are bunch of data sets around the web, and what if you want to explore different sets of data from different sources, and then you want to find their correlations about the data sets, and then instead of using Excel or extremely difficult the professional statistical tools, is there any easy and good tool that can be accessed to anyone and anywhere and anytime, just like the web? And then is there a good way to create a new explorations on data sets while maintaining their provenance of original data? So from these questions, our team developed the tool named DataCube Browser. So the DataCube Browser enables access to multi-dimensional statistical data in a ways that allows both experts and also non-experts can create specific data visualizations from multiple data sets, and then users just can click the data set measurement they want, and then they can see the graphs and the visualizations from it, and then people and users can track how the data sets visualization changes over time, and also the provenance data also kept. And then these are built upon the RDF and the semantic web. The RDF is the abbreviation of the research descriptive framework, and the semantic web is the movement converting current unstructured data on a web documents into the structured web of data. So this DataCube Browser is built upon this RDF and then aim to diversify the semantic web. And this is the screenshot. So on the left side, these are the measurements that people can check, and then these are, and on the right side, these are the visualization, the graph that build upon the data sets. And then these box plots and then heat map shows the correlations. And this program based upon the JavaScript and jQuery, and then Sparkle, the Sparkle query linked to RDF is used for data manipulating and the data access. And then for the visualization, we use the D3JS, which is open source the data visualization toolkit made by Stanford. And then we use the statistical computation program named R for the calculating the statistical stuff. And this is the method we used. So we get the health-related behavioral data sets and the tobacco policy data sets from the data.gov and some other open source data sets. And then we converted to these data sets to RDF. Also, we maintaining the provenance data, and then we load this data into the LOGD, which stands for Linked Open Government Dataset Sparkle Endpoint. And then the user can choose the measurement they want to see, and then these websites query on these measurements into the Sparkle endpoint. And then this Sparkle endpoint returns the dataset which in RDF format, and the DataCube Browser brings this bunch of numbers into the statistical computation program R, and then it returns the statistical correlations and some other stuff, and then it visualizes all these into the graph, and then it shows the user. So I will show you demo. This is what we are developing right now. So on the left side, here are bunch of measurements. So I can click and especially at this moment, we developed this DataCube Browser for the tobacco consumption about the tobacco consumption, the policy data, and then like the behavioral health data about the tobaccos. So these are the smoking-free law measurements. So I can click like government work sites, and then public schools. So this is the heat map that, and then this number like 0 to 5 is the law measurements. 0 is like there are no like law about the banning of the smoking at the public areas, and then 5 is there are like low measurement. And then down here are like the behavioral data set. So I can click the current smokers on male. So it shows the correlations between these low measurements and then the behavioral data. And then by moving this like bar, like I can track how the trends and then data changes over time period. So this is what we're built until now, and then for future work, we're gonna establish a data dictionary editor, which enables users to revisit the definitions that provided for the medical terminologies, and then by maybe next time, I'm gonna present the new project named Global Health Explorer, which is built upon based on this project. Can like explore the current like disease happening on the globe by getting Twitter feeds. So this is what I prepared for today, and thank you. And if you have any questions, yes.
So right now it works. It's built specifically for the tobacco laws and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But it looks like. Do you want it to be something where eventually somebody that just has a lot of data, like that they want to do some kind of statistical analysis on, like, and they have it like they have time series data, so they have it over many years. They can just like upload it in some kind of format that you specify, some kind of like spreadsheet format. Your program will convert it and have those awesome, like that awesome table on the side where you can select what you want to see, and then it just creates all those different visualizations for you. Because that would be really awesome.
Yeah, thank you for the good idea. Like, so this is kind of like initial step, and you're gonna expand the platform to people to, like you said, like people can.
I would really love to see something like
that. Thank you very much.
Because then you can just like turn different variables off and on, and you get something that you see, and you can spread it across different time periods.
I think the main one of the things is they should have some markup, some resource description format, so they should have some semantic information.
Yeah, so that's what I was wondering about, if that needs some way to like, because I mean, I'm sure tons of people have all their data in spreadsheets, just because that's the current, data format, really, for that kind of stuff. But yeah, if like there was a program that maybe converted it to some kind of markup language that your software could display it, that would be great.
Yeah, so in the like TEDless word constellation, there are like some people developing the tool named the CSV to RDF, which is like the the CSV file, like
comics.
Yeah, command, and then the tool that like convert the CSV like tables into the RDF, the data format, which is this program stands on. Yeah, there are tools in there. We're gonna like use the tool. Yeah. And
yeah, specifically with that sort of thing, it's actually what they're called ETL packages, and they're electronic transfer loading, I think is what it stands for, and therefore, because that's not just in like sort of like medical data and stuff like that, but like in corporate data, that's a huge problem with organizational systems, where they need to integrate their information systems, and it's probably one of the biggest problems ETL is for doing that. You can find actually open source ETL packages out there, and but they're very hard to use is the problem.